Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Rocket Money. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in rocketmoney.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Rocket Money website. Now click on the login button at the top right corner and then proceed with your credentials to log into your account. After logging in, you can navigate to the settings page and then change your password from within. However, you can also change your password right from the login page without logging in by clicking on the Forgot Password option. Once you click on this, you will be asked to enter the email address that is associated with your account. Just enter this email and click on the Send Email button. Now you will be told to check your inbox. So just log into your email and you will find an email from Rocket Money. Open up this email and you will see the Reset My Password button. Once you click on this button, you will be allowed to set up a new password for your account. Type in your desired new password and then type it in once again for confirmation. You can finally click on the Reset Password button and now your password has successfully been changed. You can now use your newly set password along with your original email address in order to log into your account from the login portal. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on your Rocket Money account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.